So we got the first step, let me see, of our bird feeder. Let me see, Darian. Show the camera. Look at me.
Cheese.
Say cheese. We're going to put this on your channel. Say cheese. We're going to make bird feeders. This is the little first part. Okay, now let's open the peanut butter. Look, let's put this down. Let's see. You can hold the little butter knife. The plastic butter knife. I'm going to put my phone up like this. Okay. Let me see, baby. Let me see the bird feeder. Yeah, that's for the birdies. We're going to put peanut butter and bird seeds on it so that they can have a little bird feeder. Today we're just using some Skippy creamy butter, peanut butter. You want to try some? Yeah. Oh. Hold on. Let's see. We can leave that right there for now. Put the camera. Oh, shoot. Okay. Let me see the bird feeder on the floor that you dropped. Okay. No, the other one as well. Thank you. Okay, you hold this right here. Hold it. Okay, you hold that. Yeah, somebody was yelling, huh? Okay, Mommy got this open now.
A baby.
Yeah, it's a baby.
A baby.
Yeah, there's a baby crying somewhere. Oh, there she is. There goes the baby crying. Okay, you want to sit up here? Let me see. Let's scoot the chair closer to Mommy. Okay, you want to get up on there? Go ahead, get up on there. Sit on your booty butt. Okay, now let's scoot it close to Mommy. Okay, first, we're going to get some good old-fashioned Skippy peanut butter. No, not with our fingers. We're going to get the butter knife. We're going to scoop it up and put it right here, just like that. Okay, hold the bird, hold it up, the bird feeder up. Are you having fun? Okay, hold it up like this. Okay, let me see if I can put the spoon in. Okay. Oh, you're eating it. You're so silly. Okay, we're going to put peanut butter all over it. Oh, you're so silly. Okay. Is it good? Is the peanut butter good, silly boy? Okay, here. You put it on now. Hold it. Good job, buddy. Put some more. Just like that. Put a good amount.
Mama.
Yeah. Okay, enough peanut butter for now. Put this over here. Okay, hold that. Okay, wait, hold on. Sit down. No. Okay, leave it at home. We're going to put it in here. Here. Look. Put this right here. And then put it on here. Of course. Just like that. No, that's not to eat. Look, we're just simply tossing it. Making sure there's bird seeds everywhere. And look! Ta-da! We're done! This is for the birdie! All done! Wait, no! Silly boy! mess it up, silly. Okay. We're gonna go hang it up in the tree now. Say bye.